Hi, Michaela Harris here. I want to take just a few minutes today to show you what you could be doing to outrank your competitors online and grow your business by using a correctly built optimized website and a Google business profile. Now, I truly believe that these are the top two things any business can do to bring in their own leads online and produce a customer base all year long. And the reason why I want to show you this is because there is a significant amount of search volume in your area and there is a lot of potential for growth for your company. So I'm going to show you how to do both of these things in just a moment. But first, I want to show you why you want to do these two things. So as a potential customer, if I'm searching lawn service in Lafayette, Louisiana, this is what we call a buyer intent keyword. Now, these keywords are super important, and the reason why we target them is because when people are searching this keyword, they're not only searching for a service, but they're searching for one in a specific area. This means that when someone's searching that word, they have an intention of hiring somebody. That's what I mean by buyer intent. So as a customer searching this word, looking for lawn service in Lafayette, I'm going to see the top 3 businesses in the map section and then the first page of organic URLs. Now 9 out of 10 customers are never going to click that second page of Google, and most are not going to click more businesses. You want to be as easy as possible for your customers to find you so that you maximize on the amount of people coming to your website and thus utilizing your services. Now, of course, you want to be as close to the top of this first page as possible because that's where you're going to get the highest percentage of people clicking on your website. So now I'm going to take a look here. If we take a look right here at Louisiana Cutters Lawn and Landscape, you notice that they've got 51 reviews, 3747, and they also are going to have their website links, photos, and citations. Now these are 3 extremely important things when you create a business profile, is making sure you have geotagged optimized images, making sure you have plenty of reviews and plenty of citations. Now those are just directory sites like Yelp or Yellow Pages that list your name, address, and phone number. Now of course you're going to want to make sure you also utilize that detailed company description. And over time, when you go beat out your competitors with the number of photos, reviews, and citations they have, you will eventually surpass them in this map section and be in the top 3 and be hitting a bunch more eyes of customers than if you were not here. So if I take a look at your top competitor that's not a back page, I've already got it pulled up here. You can see their website looks pretty good. There's not 1,500 words of content though, and their images don't save as keywords. 1,500 words of content is what Google algorithms look for when it crawls a website. So when you go create your website, you want to make sure you're putting 1,500 to 2,000 words on that homepage and making sure you're putting plenty of those buyer intent keywords. This is just going to tell Google that what your website's about is what's relevant to what someone's searching for. And of course, saving your images as keywords is going to give Google yet another reason to rank you for those words, because it's going to read what's behind the images just like it reads the content on the page. Now, any of your back pages, such as services, or if you serve different locations, you want those all to be on separate pages because it's going to be easier to rank a back page for different keywords than it's going to be to rank an entire website. So, of course, having those out separated is going to allow you to rank those back pages and beat out your competition for several different keywords. Now, if I take a look at the statistics behind your site, you can see that the UR and the DR is pretty low. So this is a trust and power rating influenced by backlinks. Backlinks are just citations, or not really citations, but links from other websites back to yours. And these are really important because these are what help the ranking process. Now, as you can see, because that UR and that DR is pretty low, that just tells me that a lot of those backlinks are probably not the best quality and that it is really possible to beat out your top competitor just because they're not doing everything that they can be in order to rank. So again, them having room for improvement just means it is going to be possible to beat them out. And the reason why you want to is because of this right here. If I take a look at their keywords, lawn service in Lafayette, Louisiana has 400 searches every single month. Lawn service Lafayette, 40. Lawn care, 150, 100, 50, 80, and I can continue going down this list for all of these buyer intent words. Add those volumes together, and that's the amount of people that's searching for your service in that area every single month. And of course, if that's not the only service that you offer. If you offer landscaping, or if you go as far as like some of those higher end jobs like hardscaping or sod, then of course there's going to be words for those as well, and you're going to get the volume off of those in addition to the volume from this service. So of course you can duplicate what I just did with several different areas and several different services. Now these are going to be the words that you target, because ranking on that first page is going to bring you in all of these potential customers. So ultimately, I hope that you see that there is huge potential for growth for your company, and that's going to come from utilizing a correctly built, optimized website with good quality backlinks and a Google business profile with plenty of citations in order to capitalize on the amount of traffic that is looking for your services. So I hope that you found this information valuable. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to talk with you more about this. I hope that you take the time to leave me a few lines of feedback just so that I know this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.